Okay, you guys, the green board is completely done all the way around the house. So what I'm gonna do this video is, of course, I have to walk all the way around the house and then we can go inside, because now that the board is on, all the different rooms feel like actual rooms. Even though they are actual rooms, it feels like it. Because before, I mean, we could see out and we can imagine where the windows were going to be and everything. This is the gym. Oh, anyway, we can imagine where everything was going to be, but now it really looks like, and I hope I'm not moving too much, because, you know, of course, when I walk, I have to make all kind of movements. But anyway, look at this. Wow. Okay. So yeah. All right. So I would tell you which rooms were what, because I know it takes a couple of minutes to walk around the house. But yeah, I guess that's what I'll do. All right. So this is our bedroom. From the outside, we're going to have a sliding door on there. And then those three windows is the bathroom. And then you'll see what I'm talking about, like when we get inside. All right, so I'm not going to blind you with the sun, but yes, this is the back door, or the back doors. They're going to be double doors, like white, you know, those white double doors. We started out wanting to do a sliding door, but then we changed our mind. So there you see the house all the way around. Now let's go inside. I was going to take the steps, but I'm not going to walk all the way around the house. So I'm going to take the ladder and we're going into, this is, I don't know, it's a great room. Yeah, it's a great room. Can you hear the echo? Oh my God, this is so cool. Anyway, so this is the front door. This is the area where we would have, I guess it's like a living room, because what I plan to do is have a bunch of plants here because there's so much natural light in this area. Now this is the guest bathroom. I don't know if you can really see it. It's cool though. And then we'll have to put a ceiling on there before we do the framing inspection. But anyways, if you're coming in through the front door, then of course we have the living room area, and then all of this area here is like the living room, open space, blah, blah, blah. This is the kitchen. And right here, of course, there'll be a wall, and that's where the breakfast bar is gonna be. This is the pantry. And then, like I said, we have to put the ceiling on those, so it'll be open. There'll be a ceiling there, and then you see how the roof goes all the way up? That's gonna be open. Right here is the counter where the sink is gonna be. And then I think the stove, dishwasher. We haven't totally decided yet. Pretty sure though. Now, this is the hallway. Look at that window. Isn't that amazing? We did that on purpose. I love it. So it'll be like a picture that when the room door is open, it changes with the seasons. Very cool. Anyway, so this is the mechanical room. This is where the cat box is going to be. Laundry room will be here in this area. All the heating, AC stuff will be over here. So I'm backing out. And then the cat cove, that's where their food will be. Guest bedroom. Of course, there'll be a wall there. And then you have two windows in there. And then this will be the closet. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, so it's a small closet because we don't have many guests. But anyway, this is the Jack and Jill bathroom. So this area right here is where the tub is going to be. And then if you're in the tub, then you have the rest of the bathroom there that has a toilet and just an area to chill, of course, sink and all that. So anyway, and then that goes directly into this room, which is the third bedroom, but we're gonna make it into a gym. So this is the gym. Look at that view, isn't that amazing? I can't wait to work out in here. Okay, so of course there's a closet in this room because it's a third bedroom, but you know, slash gym. Anyway, so this is our room. So this would be my bedroom. Look at this baby. Oh, this is so cool. This is a nice sized bedroom. Look at this baby. Okay, I'm gonna try to get in the corner. Can't get it all in, but anyway, you get the idea. So right here is the bathroom. Now I'm actually gonna walk through what we're gonna make into the door. But in this room, you notice, see how big this baby is? Oh, I'm gonna love this bathroom. And so we did the 3 windows so that we wouldn't have to put blinds or anything there, and there's always a sky view. Then there'll be a shower here, tub there, and the sinks and stuff will be in this corner. So where that opening is where we thought we were gonna have the door, but we changed our mind, we're gonna move it to like right here. So I'm going through what is going to be the door later. And then right next to the bathroom is our closet. Look at this baby. I got enough room for absolutely any and everything I want to put in here. So I'm walking here and then I'm gonna turn around so you can see this is our master closet. It's a walk-in, sleep-in, live-in closet. I'm really, really happy about this. So that's pretty much it. I mean, it's not that many rooms, but the rooms that we have is enough room to do anything we want to do in it. I am so happy that there is now an echo in here, and when it rains, the floors don't get flooded out again. So there you have your tour. Until the next video, see ya!